Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and this is
Valentine.
Welcome to Little Monster Eats, where we will be showing you another fun and simple little monster meal. Today we are making a Valentine's Day themed lunch. Does that sound fun?
Yeah.
Do you know when Valentine's Day is, Brandon?
Blueberry pudding.
Wow, good job. Okay, so for this lunch we are making a cream cheese and strawberry jam heart sandwich. We will add some fruits and veggies for the sides and also some treats, so don't worry. First, let me show you which container we decided to go with today. This one is made by Sistema. I actually really like using this brand in comparison to other boxes. It's not as fancy, but it's light, doesn't spill, easy to open, and has individual compartments. It's also more affordable, and you can find it at Target or Walmart or order it from Amazon. I'll post a link for it down below. I also have a smaller version, which I'll use as well. So to start, we have 2 slices of multi-grain bread. You can use what you have, but this is what I usually have just to have extra fiber. For one piece, I'm going to cut a small heart out. So let's go ahead and cut this heart out. You want to help me?
The big one.
Yep. Right in the center, we'll get a small, right in the center. And then next, we'll go ahead and spread some cream cheese. So you want to spread your cream cheese on this one? Mm-hmm. Okay, and then I'll take this one.
Well, boot.
No, let's go ahead. No. First, cream cheese. Go ahead. All right. Do you like helping Mommy make your lunch?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right. So spread on a good layer there. All right, you need some help? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, let's get yours in the middle here.
But they're not oval.
It's okay. Here, you got to put it here in the center because we're only going to cut the middle out because we're making a heart sandwich, remember? Mm-hmm. Okay, so, all right, so that should be good. Let's go ahead and put these away. And then to that, we're going to add some strawberry jam.
What?
Yep. Put that in the center here.
I mean, I'm doing. I'm doing.
No.
Why?
Because I'll do it fast. You can help me make the heart.
Petite?
Nope, not yet. Okay, then we're going to flip this over. Okay. And then ready to make the heart?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's put it right here in the middle. Press down really hard, 2 hands. Okay, got it. All right. Okay, let's press this down. Uh-oh.
What?
The middle heart's not looking too much like a heart now. It's okay. There you go, see? A little heart. Sandwich.
Cool.
With a heart window. Cool? There you go. All right, so we'll put it right here.
Window is a jelly.
It's jelly, yeah, jelly in the window. All right, so don't worry about this because we're just going to eat the leftover bread later, so that won't go to waste. So now we have our heart-filled sandwich right there. Now onto the fruit and veggies. So I'm going to make 2 kinds of kebabs, and to keep it with the Valentine's Day theme, I tried to use red colors. So the first one is going to be a tomato and mozzarella cheese kebab. Okay, you want to get a pick?
Give me one.
Okay, can I have one?
Hold on. What?
Okay, so grab one. Okay, here you go. Take a tomato and then put it in here like this.
What?
Tomato,
That?
and then we're going to add a mozzarella ball to that. Just like that.
Okay.
And then we'll put it in this container here.
You like that?
Mm-hmm. Got it? Good job. All right, so that's the first kebab. Tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. And then we have 2 more picks because we're going to do the fruit. So now we're going to do strawberries and blueberries. Go ahead. Here, put it down the center like this. There you go. And then you can put a blueberry on the bottom.
Well, blueberry not Valentine Day
Why?
because it only red, white, and pink.
Okay, well, it's okay. Well, you have to have your fruit, so that's okay. All right, so now we have the 2 kebabs. We have a veggie one with tomato and mozzarella cheese, and then we have a fruit one with strawberries and blueberries. It's pretty, right? And look, I cut the tops off the strawberry, and it looks like a heart. See it? Okay, got it?
That didn't look like me.
Okay. Now for the fun treats, since we have the fruits and veggies taken care of, I found these super fun pretzels today. These are alphabet pretzels. See? Brandon loves anything with letters and numbers, so this is a big win. And for these, I actually took the time to sort out X's and O's for Valentine's Day. Do you know what X's and O's are for?
Dip and hot dip.
Yeah, kisses and hugs. All right, you want to go ahead and put it in one of these containers? Oh.
Well.
Uh-oh. Go ahead.
Okay.
And next, to keep with the pink and red theme, I found these cookies here. They're made from Pepperidge Farm. It's a strawberry thumbprint cookie, and they also come in cherry and raspberry too, I believe. But I went with strawberry. Have you guys ever tried these or any other Pepperidge Farm cookies? Have you tried these before? You don't know? Comment down below, guys, if you ever had this, or
Yeah.
tell me what your favorite is. Oh,
I have that too.
you had this one? Well,
That
my favorite one is the Milano cookie made by Pepperidge Farm. And you know why? Because it has chocolate.
Yeah, I like the tupstick.
You like that? I like anything with chocolate, don't you, Brandon?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right. So today we have this thumbprint. It's a strawberry jelly one. So you want to go ahead and put it over here? Open it up and put it in there.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Put it.
There you go.
That is not big.
It did not fit? Okay. There. Like that. Okay. Close it up. And last thing I wanted to add, since I didn't know if he would eat all these new things, is another pink treat. This is strawberry applesauce. They are so good, and I actually bring them to work myself. But for Brandon, I transferred to these pouches that you may have seen in other videos that we shared. It's made by a company named Squishy, and it's easy to clean, doesn't spill, and you have control of what goes inside. So we have here applesauce that's strawberry flavored. And I'll go ahead and put the link down below too to how to order this as well. And then you want to put your picks. Look, we have these picks today.
Yeah, do the Valentine.
Yeah, they're Valentine's Day
Do
picks.
that, a pot, and a wrap. That's what they have.
No, I don't know
Right.
what they have. Okay, all right, go ahead. Put them where you want. And so for his drink, I grabbed his red thermos. It's Spider-Man, but it goes with the red theme. And inside we have milk for him. We have that as well. Do you want to put your... Oh, look, they're together in here. They're in a bath, a strawberry jam bath. Yeah. They're taking a bath. Okay, so to recap, we have a strawberry jam and cream cheese heart sandwich, tomato and mozzarella cheese kebabs, strawberry and blueberry kebabs. We have alphabet pretzels. Yeah, hugs and kisses. We have a strawberry thumbprint cookie, some strawberry applesauce in a pouch, and his milk. So that's our Valentine's Day lunch. Do you like it, Brandon?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Are you going to try it all?
But, yeah.
Yeah. If you guys like this themed lunch and want to see other themes, yes, then leave us a comment and look at what I have. I have a surprise for you. Look. What is that?
Oh, a monster.
A monster? Look at the back. What does it say?
Valentine for mommy.
Yeah, that's a Valentine. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for
Cute.
watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel to see more like this, and don't forget to click that notification bell. Also, follow me on Instagram at Little Monster Eats.
Including a hot hat. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
What are you doing? Hey!